प्यारे बच्चों, how are you all? Stay safe, stay home, my dear kids. Hope you all are well. Okay, my dear kids. Have you prepared for the home test? Have you learned the first lesson? Write and learn, my dear kids. And have you read the third lesson? Have you read? Okay. Okay, let's continue our lesson. Take page number 13. Take page number 13 and write the up of it where we have to start next. Up of that you should write today's date. What is the date today? 16/10/2020 Shukravar. Right there. Okay, my dear kids. Okay. Then we will start. सिंधु और ब्रह्मपुत्र ये दो ऐसे नाम हैं जिनके सुनते ही रावी सतलुज व्यास व्यास चनाब झेलम काबुल मीन्स कुफा कबिशा गंगा यमुना सरयू गंडक कोसी आदि हिमालय की छोटी बड़ी सफ़ी बेटियां आंखों के सामने नाचने लगती है. सी वी आर स्पीकिंग अबाउट हिमालय पर्वत इज इन हिमालय माउंटेन. सो सिंधु और ब्रह्मपुत्र दिस इज द टू रिवर्स इट इज कमिंग ऑन द अप ऑफ द from the Himalaya. So by hearing the name of Sindhu and Brahmaputra we are thinking about that these rivers also. These are also the rivers, small rivers. Ravi, Satluj, Byas, Chenab, Jhelum, Kabul. Now it is telling like Kufa, Kabisha, Ganga, Yamuna, Sarayu, Gandak, Kosi. This not only small, big also there. That by hearing about Sindhu and Brahmaputra, this river also we are going to think. This also is coming in front of us. आंखों के सामने नाचने लगती. दिस ऑल्सो डांसिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस. वास्तव में सिंधु और ब्रह्मपुत्र स्वयं कुछ नहीं है. वास्तव में रियली दिस सिंधु और ब्रह्मपुत्र इज नथिंग. स्वयं इन देयर ऑन इट्स नथिंग. व्हाट वाई दयालु हिमालय के पिघले हुए दिल की एक एक बूंद न जाने कब से इकट्ठा होकर इन दो महानदों के रूप में समुद्र की ओर प्रवाहित होती रही है. दयालु हिमालय के पिघले हुए दिल की मीन्स दिस सिंधु एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र इज नॉट इन देयर ऑन इट इज नथिंग. वाई? बिकॉज द हिमालय के पिघले हुए दिल की. पिघले मीन्स व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पिघले? मेल्टेड. पिघले हुए दिल की एक एक बूंद means this Himalaya, from Himalaya that barf and all will come, that snow and all will come na. From that day each and every drop it came together and become these two river only. Not because of Sindhu. That credit is not going to Sindhu or Brahmaputra. How the Sindhu and Brahmaputra came, that credit goes to Himalaya Parvat only. Each and every drop from that Himalaya it came together and became that what because of इन महानदों के रूप में समुद्र की ओर प्रवाहित होती. Because of this Himalaya only it is small drops from the Himalaya and came together and it is now it became the great rivers and it is flowing towards the sea. प्रवाहित होती रही. flowing. कितना सौभाग्यशाली है वह समुद्र जिसे पर्वतराज हिमालय की इन दो बेटियों के हाथ पकड़ने का श्रेय मिला. See the rivers and all which is coming on the Himalaya and it is going towards whom? Sea, isn't it? It will go and join in the sea. So it is telling like this Sindhu and Brahmaputra also going to where? Sea only, isn't it? So it is telling that कितना सौभाग्यशाली है. सौभाग्यशाली. What is the meaning of सौभाग्यशाली? Lucky. How much lucky that this which river that this Sindhu and Brahmaputra is going and joining, and that river is so lucky to get the हिमालय की इन दो बेटियों के हाथ पकड़ने का श्रेय मिला है. हिमालय these two daughters. So the writer is describing these two rivers as the daughters of Himalay. Okay, so we were telling Himalay ki betiyam only the lesson name. So who are the daughters of Himalay? This Sindhu and Brahmaputra. So it is telling like that sea is very lucky to get that get the daughters of Himalay. Get the daughters of Himalay. So they are so lucky. हाथ पकड़ने का श्रेय मिला. Those who got the credit to catch the daughters of Himalaya is very lucky. Like that he telling. Shrey mila means shrey, credit, got credit. So those who got credit, they are very lucky that they got the daughters of Himalaya. So next para. जिन्होंने मैदानों में ही इन नदियों को देखा होगा उनके ख्याल में शायद ही यह बात आ सके कि बूटे हिमालय की गोद में बच्चियां बनकर ये कैसे खेला करती है. देन व्हेन जिन्होंने मैदानों में ही इन नदियों को देखा होगा. We sometimes we will see on the grounds and all, isn't it? No, we can't. Sometimes we won't go to see and see. So it is telling that somebody have seen them on the grounds. They felt like उनके ख्याल में शायद ही यह बात आ सके कि बूटे हिमालय की गोद में बच्चियां बनकर एक कैसे खेला करती है. हाउ दे विल बी प्लेइंग ऑन द लैप ऑफ द हिमालय. लाइक दैट वी आर फीलिंग व्हेन वी आर सीइंग दैट. माँ बाप की गोद में नंगे दड़ंग होकर खेलने वाली इन बालिकाओं का रूप पहाड़ी आदमियों के लिए आकर्षक भले न हो, लेकिन मुझे तो ऐसा लुभावना प्रतीत हुआ. वह रूप की हिमालय को सी दे आर टेलिंग लाइक माँ बाप की इट इज प्लेइंग ऑन द हिमालय. When it is seeing that Himalaya pahadi and all, some people will be living is in that mountain and all, so they are seeing daily, so they won't feel anything different in that because they are they are seeing it daily. So that writer is telling that but they won't feel anything by seeing that these rivers are playing on Himalaya, but I am feeling हैप्पी. आकर्षक भले न हो, लेकिन मुझे तो ऐसा लुभावना प्रतीत होता है. आई एम फीलिंग सो अट्रैक्टिव बाई सीइंग दैट इट इज़ कमिंग, isn't it? Then he is telling that हिमालय को ससुर और समुद्र को उसका दामाद कहने में कुछ भी झिझक नहीं होती. आई वॉन्ट हेसिटेट टू टेल दैट हिमालय एज द father-in-law and Samudra as the son-in-law. Why Samudra is the son-in-law? Because Himalaya is the father of the Sindhu and Brahmaputra, and Sindhu and Brahmaputra and flowing towards the sea. So sea is and catching the hand of sea. So those who is catching the hand of sea, that is the married that is the husband of these two daughters, isn't it? So that is the brother-in-law, son-in-law, isn't it? So Himalaya is the father-in-law and that Samudra is the son-in-law. So like that this writer is telling, this author is telling like this Himalaya is the father-in-law and Samudra sea is the son-in-law. Samudra Himalaya ko Sasur means what? Father-in-law. Father-in-law. And Samudra ko damad. Damad means son-in-law. Damad means son-in-law. Then Chichak means hesitate. So I am not feeling hesitate to tell that this Himalaya is the father-in-law and the Samudra, that sea is the son-in-law. Then next page, take my kids. कालिदास के विरही यक्षी ने अपने मेघदूत से कहा था. Then Kalidas is a famous poet. He also wrote so many poems and all. So in his poem what he was telling, Virahi Yakshine, his one story, he has written one writing only Meghadoot. his book only Meghadoot. That in Meghadoot, that story, he has one Virahi Yaksh. Virahi Yaksh means one Kubera king. That Kubera king was very sad by leaving his wife. सो कालिदास ने विरही यक्षी ने अपने मेघदूत से कहा था. मेघदूत मीन्स मेघदूत इज द टाइटल ऑफ दैट लेसन, ओके, of the story. So Meghadoot means sending what messages and all through clouds. We now that time and all WhatsApp, that and all nothing is there. So that time they were sending message through clouds also. So they and all God and also they have that ability to do. So that in that Kalidas has written one Meghadoot poem. In that Virahi Yaksh, that Kubera king is telling to Meghadoot that Vetravadi nadi ko prem ka pradhan dete jana. He is telling that that Meghadoot is the lover of Vetravadi. So you go and you give your love to Vetravadi, that river, and तुम्हारी वह प्रेयसी तुम्हें पाकर अवश्य ही प्रसन्न होगी. Means you how the clouds and all showing love by dropping rain, isn't it? So by dropping rain, so he is telling to Meghadoot to show your love towards your lover, beloved, and go. यह बात, then she will be very happy, प्रसन्न होगी. यह बात इन चंद नदियों को देखकर मुझे अचानक याद आई और सोचा कि शायद उस महाकवि को भी नदियों का सचेतन रूपक पसंद था. So by reading this one, then that in Meghadoot he was telling to make that you have to go and give your love to your river. So in that also they are explaining about nadi, river, isn't it? So यह बात इन चंचल नदियों को देखकर मुझे अचानक याद आई. Now I remember that one and सोचा कि शायद उस महाकवि को भी नदियों का सचेतन रूप पसंद है. So that poet also, that Kalidas also likes the rivers and all. दरअसल जो भी कोई नदियों को पहाड़ी घाटियों और समतल आंगनों के मैदान में जुदा जुदा शक्लों में देखा है, वह इसी नतीजे पर पहुंचेगा. दरअसल जो भी कोई नदियों को पहाड़ी घाटियों और समतल आंगनों के मैदान में जुदा जुदा शक्लों में देखेगा, वह इसी नतीजे पर पहुंचेगा. ही इज टेलिंग लाइक बिकॉज ही इज़ वेरी मैड इन टेलिंग द stories and telling about the rivers and all. It's little boring only, my dear kids, please cooperate with me, okay? Actually he is telling like those who are seeing that rivers and all in the valleys and also the flat places and all, they will think the same only, because some people and all having, they will explain as they will take that rivers also as a big thing and they will keep poems and all like that. Then Kaka Kalelkar ने नदियों को लोक माता कहा है. In this Kalidas has tell the rivers as the lover, isn't it? Here Kaka Kalelkar, another one writer, he has told the rivers as the mother of world, लोक माता, mother of world. किंतु माता बनने से पहले यदि हम इन्हें बेटियों के रूप में देख ले तो क्या हर्ज है. किंतु मादा बनने से पहले यदि हम इन बेटियों के रूप में दे, ही इज टेलिंग दैट नाउ दैट काका कलेलकर हैज टोल्ड दैट द रिवर्स एंड ऑल इज लाइक अ मदर, isn't it? Then this poet is telling that why can't we think like they are the betiyam, they are the daughters. Now he is telling ना they are the daughters of Himalaya. और थोड़ा आगे चलिए, इन्हीं में अगर हम प्रेयसी की भावना करें तो कैसा रहेगा. Then if we are telling us the lover also, no problem, because we learned is in Kalidas he explained like this that rivers as a lover. ममता का एक और भी धागा है जिसे हम इनके साथ जोड़ सकते हैं. बहन का स्थान कितने कवियों ने इन्हें नदियों को दिया है. we can join one more lovable thing, like we explain like rivers are the lover of love, then it is the mother, then we told that it is the daughters, they are the daughters. Then next it is telling that one more another relation is there, we can join us, we can tell us that is sister, we can say the rivers as the sisters also. Bahan का स्थान कितने कवियों ने, so many poets and all they have given the rivers as the sisters also. एक दिन मेरी भी ऐसी भावना हुई. One day I also felt the same. And what happened? He was in Tibet, Doling. He तिब्बत की बात है. When he was in Tibet, what he happened? मन उचट गया था, तबीयत ढीली थी. He felt a little relaxed. He wanted a little relaxation. He was restless. That time what he has done? This poet, when he was in Tibet, that time his mind was little disturbed and he was not good. His body health was not good. That time what he has done? सतलज के किनारे जाकर बैठ गया. He went near to the Satluj river. In Tibet only Satluj is there though. So that river, near to that river, at the bank of that river he went and sat there. दोपहर का समय था. दोपहर means afternoon. It was afternoon. पैर लटका दिए पानी में. Then what he did? He kept the leg on the water. Leg inside the water. थोड़ी ही देर में उस प्रगतिशील जल ने असर डाला. Then after that what happened? When the river is coming near to him, he felt so happy. तन और मन ताज़ा हो गया तो लगा मैं गुनगुनाने. Then he felt very cool in his mind and body. He became so cool. Then he was singing also. He was a writer now, so he is singing something. He has written one poem about that Satluj also. What he has done? जय हो सतलज बहन तुम्हारी, लीला अचरज बहन तुम्हारी, हुआ मुद्रित मन हटा खुमारी, जाऊँ मैं तुम पर बलिहारी. तुम बेटी यह बाप हिमालय, चिंतित पर चुपचाप हिमालय, प्रकृति नाटी के चित्र पट पर, अनुपम अद्भुत चाप हिमालय. जय हो सतलज बहन तुम्हारी. और ही इज टेलिंग जय हो सतलज बहन तुम्हारी, लीला अचरज बहन तुम्हारी. You are the daughter of that. You are exciting us because like a sister बहन. हुआ मुद्रित मन हटा कुमारी. When we are coming near to you, everything is difficulty and all is going. That meaning and all no need. Okay, so simply I am telling. So हुआ मुद्रित मन हटा कुमारी. Whatever difficulty is there, it everything gone and I am happy now. जाऊँ मैं तुम पर बलिहारी, तुम बेटी यह बाप हिमालय. You are the daughter and Himalaya is the father. चिंतित पर चुपचाप हिमालय. He is that Himalaya is very sad. Why? Those who are having daughters and all, they are little tense only, isn't it? So this Himalaya also चिंतित, but then even he is not at all telling anything. He is very calm. प्रकृति नटी के चित्रित पट पर, अनुपम अद्भुत छाप हिमालय. प्रकृति नटी के चित्रित पट पर. Then what is happening? This you are very naughty and you are playing on the nature. You are whatever you are doing is very अद्भुत, very exciteful. जय हो सतलज बहन तुम्हारी. जय हो, we will tell now you all the best my dear Satluj. Like that he is telling. Not like we are now we got that the poet is telling about the Sindhu or Brahmaputra and all the rivers and all. Those who is flowing towards the rivers, is flowing towards the sea. So each and every poet they are explaining the rivers or what rivers or sea, everything they are explaining as sister, daughter, mother, like that and all. Then lover also they told. So the poet and all is explaining them as this and all. So this much only this lesson my dear kids. You read the lesson carefully. Reading is very important. Meanings and all secondary only. So read carefully and prepare for the home test. The home test we are going to conduct on 23rd 10/2020 on Friday, next Friday only. So prepare well for that first lesson. Please learn. Any doubt is there you can ask. Those who didn't finish the notes, please complete the notes and send it to me. I'll correct it and give. Okay. धन्यवाद बच्चों.